Okay, example 7 shows the sum of an infinite geometric series, and the sum of the infinite geometric series is a1 to the 1 minus r power. Note that if r is greater than or equal to 1, meaning not a fraction, the series does not have a sum. So here in part A, we know that the r is 0.6, so it will have a sum. One thing to know, I need the infinite geometric series is because the infinity sign right here, so that tells me to use the infinite geometric series sum as opposed to the finite one found in example 6. Another key difference about this one, which could also be found on the finite one as well, is notice that a1 is part of this equation just like the finite one, but this says I starts at 0. So a1 in this situation is going to come from putting 0 in for n. So 4 times 0.6 to the 0 power. 0.6 to the 0 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So in this problem, a1 is going to be 4 divided by 1 minus r, which is 0.6. For 4 divided by 0.4, and 4 divided by 0.4 is 10. Example 7b shows it like this: 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.0303 plus ... Alright, so I know this one's infinite because the plus ... and doesn't show a final term out here to the side, so I know it's infinite. I know a1 is going to be 3 because it's the first term in the series. But what's r going to be? Well, we know r is going to be the second term divided by the first term, which is 0.3 divided by 3, or 0.1. So I'll put 0.1 right there. So 3 divided by 0.9. 3 divided by 0.9 is 3.33, etc., which could also be written as 3 1/3, which is the same thing as 10/3 as an improper fraction. So the final answer on that one is 10/3. I'd like for you to go ahead and try number 75. I've got to erase that one to make room for it. 75 says the sum n equals 0 all the way to infinity of 10 times 0.11 to the n power. Okay? You should get 1,000 over 89. Try to work it out on your own. Way to get that answer, though, is the first term, since it says start at 0, is going to be 10, because 0.11 to the 0 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. The 1 minus the r right there is 0.11. Put that in the calculator, and I'll go ahead and show it again in the calculator. 10 divided by, and this time I'll show the whole thing, 1 minus 0.11, enter, and then fraction, math, enter, enter, and that's how you get the 1,000 over 89 for your final answer. That's an equal sign, not a negative.